Alrighty, John, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC cylinder heads on it, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 550 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 559, peak horsepower 528. So everything's good, rated at 520. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll see this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff. Highly recommend plugging in and watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs there. So highly recommend reading all this stuff here. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So have a great day.